Jai Hind children. Today we are going to do mixed problem solving, page number 44 in your book. In mixed problem solving, we will use our steps for problem solving, and we will decide that the problem is a addition or subtraction problem. Here, the first problem is 50 bottles of juice were ordered for a party. 3 bottles were not used. How many people came to the party if each person drank 1 bottle? Here, the information is the 50 bottles of juice have been ordered. In that 3 bottles are not used. And we have to find out the number of bottles, so that here is the information, another information is given that each person drank 1 bottle. Means each person has drank 1 bottle. This is also an information. Let us use this information and find out the answer given. It is right or wrong. Here, juice bottles are 50. In that, not used are 3, and we have to find out the number of bottles used. So, here, when this information is given, total is given and not used is given. Here we are clearly understood that we have to do subtraction, then we can know how many people have used the bottle. So 50 minus total 50 bottles minus 3 have not used. So 10 here, when we 0 borrows 1 from 5, it becomes 10, and 10 minus 3 is 7, and here leftover is 4. It is 47. It means 47 bottles are used. And the another information given is that each person has drank 1 bottle. Means 47 people have attended the party. So here the answer is 47 people, and the answer is correct. So tick it. Now let us go to the second question. Kabir spends 14 hours a week doing homework. 8 hours are spent on maths. How many hours are spent on other subjects? Here, Kabir has spent total 14 hours in a week. In that 8 hours he spent only on maths. We have to find out the hours spent on other subject. Let us find out. Here, total hours are 14. In that 8 hours for maths he has spent. Now we have to find out the other subject. How many hours he has spent on other subject. So again, when total is given, total 14 hours minus 8 hours on maths. So 14 minus 8 is 6 hours. Means on other subject he has spent 6 hours. But here it is given 22 hours. Means this is wrong. We'll put a cross and write down 6 hours. Okay. Now, third question. 65 parent tickets and 98 student tickets were sold for the school annual day. How many tickets were sold in all? When in all is given, it means it is an addition problem, and here the information is given 65 parent tickets and 98 student tickets were sold. Let us put it put the information into it. Tickets are parent ticket and student ticket. Now we have to find out the total number of tickets sold. When total is given, let us add. Okay, 65 plus 98. 5 plus 8 is 13. 3, 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 163. It is 163 total tickets are sold. Let us see, the answer is given 163. So it is correct answer, ticket. Coming to the fourth question, 52 children chose mountain climbing for their outdoor sports. 18 children more than that chose boating. How many children chose boating? 52 children chose mountain climbing and 18 children more than that. Means more than that here means more than mountain climbing. 18 children have chose boating. Now we have to tell how many children chose boating. Let us put the information again into it. Here mountain climbing are 52 and boating is more than 18 more than mountain climbing. So 52 and plus 18 we have to tell what is the total number of students chose boating. So 52 plus 18. 2 plus 8 is 10. 0, 1, 6 and 7. It means 70 children. 70 children is the answer. So it is correct. Okay. Now fifth question. There are 98 large fish in one tank at the aquarium. There are 112 small fish in another tank. How many more small fish than large fish are there at the aquarium? Here understand the problem. 98 large fish in one tank and 112 small fish in another tank. But how many more small fish? कितना ज़्यादा स्मॉल फिश हैं लार्ज फिश से कितना ज़्यादा हैं that we have to find out. How many more small fish than large fish are there at the aquarium? कितना ज़्यादा मतलब 98 से 112 कितना ज़्यादा है. Let us put this, arrange this information again. One tank, large fish 98 and another tank, total small fishes. This is small fish is 112 altogether. So we have to find out how many more small fishes are than the large fish. For calculating this, to know this, we have to write 112 to small fish minus 98 is the large fish. 12 minus 8 is 4. Here 10 minus 9 is 1. So 14. Here the answer is 14 more. Okay. So now you can see here 210 more small fish is given. So this is wrong answer. You will write down 14 more small fish are there. Okay. In this way you will do